All right, what's going on, y'all? Samari here. Listen, so I'm making this video simply because I want to be able to, show you guys what I'm doing in the trading space, show you guys what I'm doing when it comes to trading, when it comes to harmonics. Really, really simple. So, I mean, only thing to do now is just to get to it. So, what I do is I use this platform called, well, number one, I would say this. You need to trade on a platform that you like. All right. For me, I'm using Liquid Brokers, Liquid Markets, because I trust the program. I like it. It's licensed and regulated, and also I can become an affiliate. So it's free to create an account. So in the description below, create your account. It's absolutely free. And that's what we're gonna do. You can open up a demo account to trade, but then also what you can do is you can practice. And one of the ways I like to use AI softwares and systems in order to get me the best trades in the market. I also like to use the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame because those are the way I trade using harmonics, using price reversal zones. Those are the most secure ways to trade. When you're trading on a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 30 minute, I like to use sometimes or not. But when you're trading on anything less than 30 minutes, there are more fake outs in the markets, right? And so they're not as certain. So those are more for like entries, but hour one, hour four, even the daily sometimes are what I like to use. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go to this thing right here, and I'm just gonna use this thing called Harmonic Pattern. So I like this platform called harmonicpattern.com. It's a platform that really shows you harmonics, shows you when there's price reversals, what's going to happen, what's potentially going to happen. And as you can see here, it's giving you all the symbols. For me, I have settings of minute 30, hour 4. Sure, we can even put the daily in here if you want to, right? I have a watch list. I want Forex majors, cryptos, and these are some of the other pairs that I like to see in the markup. So you can set it to what you want, and also you get notifications on Telegram. Very, 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 very simple. And it gives you everything. So for example, it's giving me XAU USD. This is the gold trade, right? It's giving me a bat pattern, time frame minute 30. It's giving me the entry, target, and stop loss, and the risk to reward. 3.45 risk to reward is actually pretty good. So we can click this chart really quick and we can check it out. So right now you can see, right, this is the trade, stop loss, entry, target 1, target 2, right? And also, side note, if you want to, if you want to use the harmonic pattern, I think you get 50% off if you want to use it, if you want to leverage it. Just click the link below, use the link, get the software, use the software. It's incredible, right? And then so we're just going to enter some trades here. And just check it out. So I want to be consistent in making these videos, at least one a day for at least 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes at least. Just kind of show what we have going on. So this is a minute 30. I like this trade. And the good thing about the harmonic pattern is that, you can look at different time frames. So you can go and look at the hour time frame, see what's happening on the hour. It has the same bat system. You can go on the 4 hour. All right, you can check it out. 4 hour has a bat as well, or already had a bat, right? That actually is a stop loss. So yes, these aren't perfect. This actually did hit take profit. Oh wow, it would take profit, and then it hit stop loss. But it would to take profit first. So as you can see, it's kind of going good. All right, so we're gonna go to this XAU USD trade. We're gonna check it out. And then when we're trading this, it has your stop loss and your take profit. For me, when I put it in my stop losses, when I put it in my take profits, what I'm doing is I'm putting my stop loss 5 to 10 pips above the stop loss recommended on the platform just to kind of get the buffer out, right? And then I'm putting my take profit about 5 to 10 pips above the take profit so I can get out sooner, because sometimes it almost wicks it. Sometimes it hits the stop loss, barely hits the different levels. So that's what we're going to do, right? All right, my password in. All right, so we're just going to enter this trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Liquid Charts Pro. And right, these are a few trades that I put in a little earlier. Right. So as you can see here, we're putting in trades. These are like set it and forget it trades. I can see my stop loss and my take profit on these trades here. So, we're just going to go to XAU USD and enter the trade. Right. We're going to go into sell. So take profit target, we'll go 29.14, and then we'll go stop loss, we'll go above it. So we'll go 29.47, right? And the cool thing about the harmonic pattern is that you can trade any pattern that you want. You know, you can trade any pair that you want. You can trade any stock that you want. You can trade anything on here, right? It gives out pretty good signals. So as you can see, we have IOTA BTC. You know, if you want to enter that trade, you can trade that. You can leverage trade that if it's on your broker, right? But I like to trade pairs that end in USD. So even if I'm trading a cryptocurrency, I'm trading crypto USD, IOTA USD, MDA USD, you know, so on and so forth, right? We have a GPB JPY right here. This already hit take profit. So you would have already hit take profit had you use this platform, right? With this trade. Boom. As you can see, take profit would have been good to go. We have BAT BTC here. This hit the stop loss. Not everyone is going to hit take profit, but you know, you get the point. All right, what the trades do we have? I can go to charts and I can go to BTC USDT. I like to trade Bitcoin a lot. See what's happening, see what it's doing. We had a double top here. It's in the going that way into profit. If you look at the 15 minute, we have different entries here. What do we have? This is stop loss. I don't really like the 15 minute too much. More of a 4 hour guy. Right, we have a deep crab here. This already hit take profit. Wow. So if we were to enter this trade right here, this was on the February 2nd. We would have hit take profit on this trade. Pretty good trade, right? That we would have hit a stop loss here, which is fine. All the trades aren't going to be perfect. Right here, I wouldn't even taking this trade, honestly, because the way it's set up. So if a trade is not set up to where it's hitting the D point and then going somewhere, I'm not even going to take that trade. So I wouldn't have even taken that trade right there. But then you have the Gartley pattern here. This is a good trade that you could have taken. You would have hit take profit, clearly. Right. From January to now on the 4 hour. All right. And this is the 1 hour time. All right. So I'm going to go back to my notifications, and I can even set it up to my watch list to where I'm doing Forex miners. So it's going to give you a little bit more trades that you can take, right? As you can see, USDs are. This is a trade that you could potentially take. If you want GBP AUD, right? This is stop loss, which is fine. You have AUD CHF. This is a double bottom. Sorry, double top. So it's supposed to go down. We'll see what this ends up being. All right, NZD JPY. Essentially a good trade to take. You know what? Let's take this trade. NZD JPY. Let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour already it's take profit. Okay, cool. So we're done with that trade actually. Let's take this trade and see what happens. So we're gonna go to Liquid Charge Pro. NZD JPY. And the goal is not really to take crazy amount of trades. The goal is really to find what trades best suit you and use them using the harmonics. Harmonics is just, it's not the end all be all, it's an indicator of what could potentially happen in the market, right? So NZD JPY, we're going to press buy. As you can see, XAU USD is already in profit. For our take profit here, we're going to do 80, let's do 86,723. And then for our stop loss, we're going to make it above, right? We're going to do a little bit below, right? For our stop loss, I just looked at the stop loss. Say, all right, what is about 5 to 10 pips? We're going to do 87. We're going to do 85.892. So we'll do 85.892. Right? And we should never forget it. The cool thing about this is that you can take partial pip. So if I want to go here and I want to take a partial close, I can close 25% of my profits. That's a good thing about liquid brokers is that you can take 25% of your profits and, you know, still be kind of, good. So let's say this. Let's say we do take 25% of our profits, for example. Partial close, 25%. Now it's going to go back to 0.13, but we just secured some profits in the market, right? So that's the beautiful thing about this. You can always secure some profits with this broker, Liquid Brokers. It's pretty dope. All right. And we can keep going down the list. Some trades here. Eurozar. This is a triangle probably. All right. This is a triangle 1-to-1, which is cool. It's not the best, but it's 1-to-1, and it's actually it might be a good trade to take. So you can take this trade because of stop loss versus the target. It's actually pretty good. What else? Let's see down here. Risk reward here is good. Potentially be a good trade to take, especially right now because it's actually, I wouldn't take this trade honestly because it didn't hit the D point, but because the stop loss is so tight and the potential is so big, you can potentially take this trade right here. This is a crypto trade, ONT USD. It's pretty dope. So one just popped up. Look, now we have confirmation. If XAU USD on the minute 30, XAU USD on the hour time frame as well. So you know what? I'm going to even enter this trade right here off the hour time frame. And we're going to go to XAU USD. We're going to calculate this trade. So I'm going to go to XAU USD. I'm going to sell it twice. And as you can see, we're in profit down here below. I'm going to sell it twice right here. Right? And I'm going to put the same, I'm going to sell it 3 times. We have a lot of leverage. And we have a take profit in a stop loss, right? So for my take profit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, if it's 29.09, I'm going to do the same thing, 29.14. So this is 29.14, 29.14, 29.14. Then for my stop loss, we're going to do 29.45. Let's do 29.45. Stop loss and go 29.45. 29.45. 29.45. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so listen, guys, that is our video for today. I think it's going to be a great video. Definitely takes some leaps and bounds. Listen, also, I want to say this, right? I want to say this, if you're looking for a way to make some passive income as well, you could then, once you create your account, get inside our group chat, get inside our academies, get inside everything will be in the description. And what you want to do is you want to be able to, get your affiliate link. If you're a trading community, if you're building a trading community, share your affiliate link, share your link to the broker, and you can literally make money every day passively and use that money to build your account. Also, I personally use Sway Funded. I like Sway Funded. So if you're looking to leverage a funded account, you can use this system to be able to trade with a funded account and get access to the funded account. So guys, that's it for today. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned in so you don't get tuned out. Let's go.